Good afternoon, sir. This program is a part of programming for problem solving in C language. This program is based on number guessing game. This program is a very fun game where we have to guess a number between 1 and 100. The program starts by setting up the game. It picks it using an srand time null function. This ensures that every time the player plays the game, the number is different. Then the screen shows the welcome message and then tells the user to guess a number. The user guesses a number, and if the guess is too low or too high, the message gets printed on the screen. This thing repeats quite a few times until the user gets the correct number. Some of the key features of this program is random number generation, where every time the user plays this game, it generates a random number. Also, it provides feedback immediately by telling whether the guess is too low or too high. Also, at last, it counts the attempt the user guessed. Moving on to the slide. This is the introduction part. In this game, the program will generate a random number within the given range and ask the user to guess it. Each time the user inputs a number, the program will tell if it's too high or too low. The number of attempts will be counted, like I said before. Moving on to the next slide, we have the code part. Some of the contribution in this number guessing game is random number generation, where the implemented logic to generate a random target number within a specified range. Handling player guess and capture the input using scanf function. Game loop and feedback. Designed a do-while loop to repeatedly prompt for guesses and use conditional statement that provide feedback like too low or too high or correct answer. Attempt tracking, added a counter to track the number of attempts count when the player ensures clear instruction and immediate feedback to make the game engaging and easy to play. This contribution helps make the game functional, interactive and educational. Moving on to the conclusion part, the number guessing game effectively demonstrates fundamental programming concepts through a simple interactive experience. By implementing random number generation, user input handling, control structure and feedback mechanism, the game provides a practical application of programming principle. Tracking the number of attempts and provides immediate feedback keeps the player engaging and understands the importance of user experience. This project not only reinforces theoretical knowledge but also encourages problem solving and attention to detail. And educational tool, the number guessing game serves as foundation project to prepare programmers for more complex software tasks. Thank you.
Thank you, Debleena.